Hello everyone! Today I'll be giving you a quick demo on how to use our new tools to create a custom graphical user interface to display data from your Vesta system. One of the biggest benefits of the Vesta system is the amount of data that it allows you to collect and monitor, and one of the easiest ways to monitor this data is using a custom GUI. Every custom GUI site needs some kind of image background, but we won't be going into how to create those in this video. For the rest of this video, we'll assume you've already created your background image. This is going to be the backdrop for our GUI. Now, what I'm going to do next is mouse over the lower right-hand corner of the screen. A button pops up labeled Edit. I'm going to click it, and the site prompts me for a password. The password you should enter here is the same password that you use to access other private portions of your Vesta web interface. And when you enter it, you should see a menu bar pop up in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. This means we're in edit mode. The menu bar has labeled icons of all the widgets that we can add to the site. Passive widgets, which simply display information, are on the left-hand side of the menu bar, and active widgets, which can allow you to change data values by interacting with them, are on the right-hand side of the menu bar. We also have buttons to save our changes and exit edit mode. To create a widget, all you have to do is click over the icon of the widget that you want and drag it to the desired location. When you release the mouse button, a widget will be created in that exact location, and you'll see a pop-up with information about it, such as the size, minimum and maximum data values, and colors. But most importantly, the element number. All data coming from a Vesta system, input or output, is considered an element and is given a unique number. You can find a list of elements and their ID numbers on your Vesta's web interface. In order to get the data from an element, you'll need to enter its number here. I'm going to associate this widget with an element numbered 2 on my Vesta system. 2 is a temperature element, so I'll label the widget accordingly and hit save. When I reload the page, my changes show up. The widget is now displaying data from the specified element, and the label I gave it is now showing up. You can add as many widgets as you'd like to the site using this method. Once you've added widgets to the site, you can right-click on them to bring up the same pop-up menu you saw when they were first created. Here, you can change the element they're associated with, their colors, and their size. Any of these parameters in text boxes can be changed. There's a full list of what these parameters are and the effect they have on the widgets on our website under Support, Documentation, Custom GUI. When I reload the page, you can see that my changes have taken effect. It's also easy to relocate widgets in edit mode. Simply click and drag them to their desired locations. When you're done repositioning, hit the Save button in the menu bar to save their current locations. When you reload the page, they remain in place. In order to delete a widget, enter edit mode and right-click to bring up its pop-up. Hit the delete button in the pop-up, and when you reload the page, the widget is gone. If you're in edit mode and want to leave, simply hit the exit button in the menu bar. You'll no longer see pop-ups when you right-click widgets, and you'll no longer be able to drag them to reposition them. We hope these tools will help you get the most out of your Vesta system.